And the last part of the styling and layout is the cart page and the quick cart view. So the cart page is very simple. There you have basically two options for editing your cart. You have two layouts, which is style 1, like this, and then style 2, this one that is by default applied. So that's pretty much it. Choose the design that you like for your cart checkout. Now you have also the option for the quick view of the cart. So you can enable or disable the quick view in general for your cart, and you have the two options: the compact, which is this one on the image here that we can actually show here in a second. So when you have a product, when you over the cart, you'll see the information about what you have inside the cart. Now in the other case, where you have the full height option, you can see that you can preview now the website, and when you over it, you don't have any action, but when you click on it, you see the full height layout of the shopping cart, and it will not close unless you click somewhere outside of this area. So these are the two options, so pick the one that you prefer. Lastly, we have also a few other system pages that are connected with your store, which you can find in the system pages area of your builder, and there you can find the order complete, for example, which is the thank you page, the default thank you page when somebody purchases a product in your store. Then you have the order processing. This is if the order is being still processed, for example, and order cancelled as well if somebody canceled the order before submitting the full payment, and order error as well, which is we were unable to process the payment. So these are all system pages. You don't really have to customize them if you don't need to, but yes, you have this freedom to do that from the system pages inside your builder by accessing the pages area. So yeah, this is basically the stylization of your system pages of the products, of the listing, of the cart, the checkout page, and the quick cart view. Now we can look into actually building your website and all the pages inside your store as well.